Okay, folks, Bismillah. Question number 8 in our emergency revision session is worth 3 marks. This question is a very popular examination, folks. Please do not lose an easy 3 marks. You just need to make sure that you explain. Because on the bottom of the answer, which you can't see at the moment, says give reasons for your answer. I will quickly show you that so you know what I'm talking about. These questions give you reasons for your answer. Yarhamakallah. Okay. Oops, sorry about that, folks. Okay, question number. Okay, sorry about that, folks. A bit of wobbliness there. But I'm not going to be doing any editing of this video. I'm going to put them straight up. So it says give reasons for your answer. Now let's get cracking with this question. Okay, right. ABC is a triangle. We can see ABC is a triangle. Okay, let's get my pen sorted out. ABC is a triangle. D is a straight line parallel to AB. So let's just take an obvious in this question. Work out the value of x. So we have to work out this angle here. Okay? So we've got to work out. Right, let's have a look at what kind of situation we have here. So first of all, we start over here. So we look at the straight line here, and we look at the angle arrangement that we have. We have this angle here is worth 124 degrees up to here. Now, if we continue these two angles here, they have a certain relationship. Okay, so angle ABE, which is this one here, is going to be 180 minus 124. And we need to write that down in a way that makes sense. So part of my explanation is going to be this. So we're looking at this point here. So we're going to say now angles at, the keyword here now, this is where last students make mistakes. They miss out this keyword here, angles not on a line, angles at a point on a straight line. So get the wording right, folks, otherwise you will lose marks in the examination. On a straight line. Okay, straight line. So angles at a point. Okay, I'm going to quickly put in there in red the B. So at the point B, put that in brackets. Okay, angles at a point B on a straight line. Well, the straight line can also be defined as AB as well. Okay. Okay, let's get back to blue. Have an angle sum of, and here comes the key number. Have an angle sum of 180 degrees. So these two angles, so this angle here and this angle here must add up to 180. So we can quickly work it out. So we can say 124, pardon me, 180 minus, because these two add up to 180. Okay, we could just 180 equals, I'm going to call this angle here angle ABE to be more mathematical. So angle ABE is the angle in question. I'll point over here. So 180 is equal to angle ABE plus 124. So we make a definition for the examiner. We're making a forming an equation. Now we're going to quickly solve that equation. Okay. So we've got to work out the angle ABE, which is this angle here. This angle here, ABE. And opposite adding 124 is to minus 124. Okay. So we have here now, copy this down, ABE angle is, and that, okay, is going to be 180 minus 124. If we do this quickly, mentally ahead, 180 take away 120, 60, 60 take away another 4 will give us 56 degrees. So we now know that this angle is 56. Now you might be thinking, why am I working at 56 angle here? We're not supposed to be working at this. Because once we know this angle, we know this angle. Because these two angles are both the same. If I know this angle here, which is now, I can say quite confidently, is 56 degrees. Once I know these two, I can work out that one. So let's have a look at the rule that covers that. Let's change to a green highlighter. So I'm going to draw it on here, try to do it nice and straight. It's a bit difficult getting used to the equipment. So what we have here, these two angles here, I'm coloring in green. These two angles, in school we learn it as F angles are equal. Please do not write that in examination, you will not get a mark. F angles are equal is okay for how we talk about it. When we write these down, we've got to use the mathematical word. Because they're in the same place, they correspond. These are corresponding angles. So we can now say that this angle here, so let's define it. So this angle will be DEC. So DEC is this angle here that we're talking about. And the angles will be defined. So the next explanation is going to be this. So we can say, okay, right. Write angle in a sense twice, because angle DEC, because that's represented by this part here. Angle DEC is equal to ABE. Okay, so this angle here is equal to this angle here. Now, so the bottom one is 56, the top one is 56. Sorry, this is the top one, that's the bottom one. 56 and 56, both equal to each other. Okay, done. Now we know this. So we've done two sets of maths so far. Now the last part, now the last push, we're going to do looking at this triangle now. Okay, let's get another. So we're looking at this triangle here now, and we can look at the properties. So I'll do on the hand side. So we say here the angle sum of a triangle, okay, is 180 degrees. That's also 180 degrees. 180 degrees is the sum of these angles. So we can now work out quite easily x. So we can now, let's change to different color. Let's go to black. So we can say now 78, which is the angle here, add 56, add the x angle over here, give us a total of 180. Okay, so you have 78 at 56. If you simplify these, use calculate if you want, use mentally. 6 add 8 will give you the 14. And 7 add 5 will give you 12, add 1 is 13. So these two will give you 134 degrees. And then we're going to add the x is equal to 180. Now in order for us to work out the x, we need to rearrange it. If you're interested in the x, we grab the 134. It's got its own inbuilt invisible plus sign. We take it over to this side. It was a plus 134. When you change side, you change sign. It becomes a minus 134. So now we can say quite confident. Sorry, I'm right over here on the side, folks. Sorry about that. X is equal to 180. Take away 130 will be 50. 50 take away the 4. 50 take away the 4 will give you 46. So we have 46 degrees. X is equal to 46 degrees is the final answer for this question. I'll just rewrite over here and try to make it nice and big and circle it. Put that in your answer space. Answer X is equal to 46. Okay, folks, I hope this technique has helped. I know it might sound a bit long-winded, only for 3 marks, but this is what the examiner wants to see. Give the examiner what they want.